اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي امری واحلل عقدۃ من لسانی یفقهوا قولی. چلتا ہے خنجر تو چلے میری رگ پر, چلتا ہے خنجر تو چلے میری رگوں پر, خود ہی بیچ کے اپنی میں جھک نہیں سکتا. مٹنے کو تو یہ دنیا بھی مٹ سکتی ہے لیکن تاریخ کے اوراق سے میں مٹ نہیں سکتا. For August, the day of Pakistan is a common day for other nations, but this is the most valuable day for Pakistani nation in the history of Pakistan. In Urdu language, it is called as Yom Istiqbal. On 4th August 1947, the world saw a new country, the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, as an independent country. Remember that according to the Islamic calendar, Pakistan became on 27th of Ramadan when Allah blessed Muslims with a pure homeland. Pakistan came into existence due to the restless efforts of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Muhammad Ali Jinnah proved to be a great leader of Pakistan. People throughout Pakistan and celebrate with great enthusiasm and devotion among the nation. The main celebrations are flag hosting, singing patriotic songs, and tribute to the lost heroes and cultural activities. The importance of this day lies in paying tribute to the lost heroes and in raising the hopes for a bright future. All children and adults feel happy and filled with emotion on this day. They participate in events and express feelings. Independence Day for any nation is like a celebration, and the people of Pakistan celebrate this festival with interest and joy. They come together and show unity under the green and white flag of Pakistan. 4 things I want to remind you guys are: 1. Nothing is lost yet. 2. Stop thinking that Pakistan is a bad country. 3. Major power of Pakistan is its youth. And 4. It's our motherland and we are responsible for its good and bad. As a Pakistani, we need to realize that Pakistan was established in the name of Islam. We need to show unity and brotherhood. We need to act open, guide, saying unity, faith and discipline. We need to help others and make sincere efforts to make Pakistan the real Pakistan as Quaid-e-Azam had thought. Let's remove corruption and terrorism from this country. For this, we need to take a step ahead to make Pakistan the homeland of prosperity. Let's take Pakistan to another level of glory. In the end, let's pray for Pakistan. Let's pray that our country will make progress as other countries of the world. Now that we have come to the end of the speech, I want to say that we all know the reason of why we got here together. It's such a big crowd. We all are excited to celebrate this great day in such an excellent manner. We are gathered here to celebrate Independence Day of our nation. Being a Pakistani, we must celebrate 4th August by thanking to Almighty Allah for giving this homeland after immense sacrifice. I had such a great experience sharing my speech in front of you all. I would like to say thanks for listening. Good evening to the honorable chief guests and to the respected audience. Happy Independence Day to the whole nation. Pakistan!
Zindabad!